students in the series of time and temperature. Today's topic is conversion of temperature. As you know that temperature is a measure to describe how hot or cold something is. And the instrument used for measuring temperature is a thermometer. It is a thin tube with a colored liquid called mercury in it. There are two types of thermometer, degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. If we say that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or in Fahrenheit form it is 32 degree Fahrenheit. It is like this. In degree Celsius thermometer, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and according to Fahrenheit we say that water freezes at 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or in Fahrenheit we will say 212 degree Fahrenheit. Normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius or in Fahrenheit we will say it is 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. In this section, we will understand how to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius and Celsius into Fahrenheit. At first, let us understand how to convert temperature which is given in Fahrenheit into Celsius. It is very easy. If temperature is given into Fahrenheit, then what you need to do, you need to just subtract 32 from the temperature and multiply the result by 5/9. Then you will get the temperature which is in degrees Celsius. It means to convert Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius, first step is subtract 32, then multiply by 5/9. Now we can write it as formula also. It is like this. Temperature degrees Celsius, if we need to find out, the formula is temperature degree Fahrenheit minus 32 and there is a bracket. It means at first we need to subtract by 32, then the result will be multiplied by 5/9. So it is a formula to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius. Let us do few questions. 212 degree Fahrenheit, if it is given to you, then how you will convert into Celsius? I am writing a formula which is temperature in degree Celsius equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 in brackets multiply by 5/9. As you know that according to the rule of BODMAS, always solve bracket first. So at first we will subtract 32 from the temperature, and here what is the temperature? 212 minus 32 in brackets multiply by 5/9. At first subtract 32 from 212 and you will get 180 multiply by 5/9. Now how you will solve this? It is very easy. 9 ones are 9 and here 9 twos are 18. Just multiply 5 and 20 and you will get 100 degrees Celsius. It means 212 degree Fahrenheit is equals to 100 degree Celsius. Next is 455 degree Fahrenheit. You need to convert it into Celsius. At first write the formula, that is temperature in degree Celsius is equals to temperature in degree Fahrenheit minus 32 in brackets multiply by 5/9. Just put the value of temperature which is in Fahrenheit, that is 455 minus 32 multiply by 5/9. At first we will do subtraction. Just subtract 32 from 455. What you will get? You will get 423 multiply by 5/9. Now just solve it. 9 ones are 9 and here it is 9 fours are 36, 9 sevens are 63. Now just multiply 47 and 5. What you will get? 235 degrees Celsius. It means 455 degree Fahrenheit is equals to 235 degrees Celsius. So easy to convert. Let us understand how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. It is very easy. If temperature in degrees Celsius is given to you, just multiply by 9 by 5 and add 32. Then you will get the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. In form of formula, you can also learn like temperature degree Fahrenheit is equals to temperature degree Celsius multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. Let us solve one question. 30 degrees Celsius is given and you need to convert into Fahrenheit. I am writing the formula first. That temperature degree Fahrenheit is equals to temperature degree Celsius multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. I am just putting the value of temperature which is in degrees Celsius. It means it is 30 multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. Now, you know that according to the rule of D mass, we always solve multiplication first. So at first solve this part, and how we will solve this part? 5 ones are 5 and it is 5 6 are 30 and 9 6 are 54. So it is 54 plus 32 and your final answer is 86 degree Fahrenheit. Next is 100 degrees Celsius. Again, write the formula, that is temperature degree Fahrenheit equals to temperature degree Celsius multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. Now put the value, here it is 100 multiplied by 9 by 5 plus 32. Now at first we will solve this multiplication part. 5 ones are 5 and here it is 5 twos are 10. Now 20 into 9 is 180. So 180 plus 32. It means 212 degree Fahrenheit. So in mathematics, what you need to do? Yes, practice, because practice makes perfect. So do practice.